Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Word for free. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to office.com. Now, what it's going to do is take you across to a paycheck list which says welcome to the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. So Microsoft 365 Copilot app is the new name for Microsoft Office. So in addition to Microsoft Word, you're also going to get things like Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, and also you're going to get the Copilot app and things like that. Now, if you look on here, you can see towards the top, we have got a sign in and the get button, but if you look underneath, you can see there's a link here which says sign up fully free version of Microsoft 365. So if you want to get this for free, just simply go ahead and click the sign up link here. And once you have done that, that's going to ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one just by clicking the link here. So what you want to do is sign in with an existing Microsoft account, or alternatively, click this link and just go through the quick steps to create an account. Once you have done that, you logged in, you will be taken to a screen like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is come over to the left hand side on the menu. You want to click onto subscriptions. Now once you have done that, you'll be going to see at the top right here, it says Microsoft 365 is free to start. However, when we click onto the blue button, it's going to ask you to sign up for a paid plan. Now to get Microsoft Word for free, if you actually scroll down on this page, you can see here it says free services from Microsoft. Now what you want to do is click here where it says Microsoft 365 for the web, and that's going to redirect you back here. All you want to do now is click onto the blue sign in button, and once you have signed in it should take you onto 365. So you can see we're here. If we come over to the left hand side, you can see we got all these different apps. So we got Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and of course we can use any of this absolutely free. So I can click onto Word, for example, click onto blank documents. What that's going to do is load up a blank documents, and what we can do is start choosing Microsoft Words absolutely free. As you can see, it works fine. It's just a web-based version. Now at the top, you can see you've got the option to buy Microsoft 365 as well. If you do choose to buy it, what it's going to do is install the apps onto your PC. So the difference between the free version and the paid version is the free version is a web-based version. As you can see, like I'm using here, if you do choose to buy Microsoft 365, then of course you would have the app installed on your PC like I've got here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.